Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Backo Scott the Mayor Russian.
And I'm East Salim the Mayor Taylor Street.
And the name of this segment is E's Top 5.
Top 5.
It's brought to you by Brown Toro Clean Delivery and Repair.
Yes, sir.
If you got some services that y'all need the job done and done right with extra sauce on the customer service side, hit up browntoro.com and book a free estimate today.
Free estimate. You hear that, America? Free estimate. So make sure y'all book that free estimate. Brown Clean Delivery and Repair.
Yeah, Brown Toro. Goddamn it, don't fuck up my name. I know we be messing up the names. East Top 5, what we got on the list, bro?
Hey, man. hey, the top 5. Hey, America, listen. You know, I ain't want to kill y'all with the top 5 like I did last year every week. So I'm making it every 2 weeks now because I need to calibrate. And it's not about the wins right now. The wins don't mean nothing. The losses mean way more in my top 5. I'm not gonna play with y'all. Yeah. So I want to jump to conclusions. I gotta reevaluate, recalibrate, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump it off my top 5. My top
what you got
5. My number 5. My number 5, man. I'm gonna go with these guys right here. They hanging in that top 5. They hanging in there like Mr. Cooper. Hanging in there, Macko. Hanging in there like Mr. Cooper. These guys, they've been cooking. I'm talking about Russell Wilson cooking. You know, I'm talking about the Pittsburgh Steelers. That's red and yellow flags. My number 5.
Black
they my
and
number
yellow,
5.
black and yellow.
Black and yellow. Why they my number 5? Because, man, you know what? TJ Watt shows up every single week with a strip sack.
That defense.
I'm going to tell you how it is, America. They defense is making them top 5 for a reason. And then Russ just came in knowing that Justin Fields was trying to take his spot. Right. But Russ did what he do. He said, you know what? I'm going to bring it up a notch. And this dude now is getting 400 yards, 300.
Yeah.
Russ,
400-yard games.
400-yard games. I mean, it's just nuts what he's doing. So that's why they're my number 5 because, I mean, I like what they're doing, you know, but they got Baltimore behind their back and they in a tough division. So they got a little more loss than everybody else. And the reason why y'all would have been, y'all was number 4 the last time.
Can't be your number 4 team.
They was number 4 last time, but they number 5 because they lost to the Browns. Y'all shouldn't have lost to the Browns, though.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So that took that L from y'all. And that's why y'all number 5 team, but y'all can't be my number 1 team. Y'all can't be my number 1 team because my number 4 team is even crazier right now. They ready for war. And they ain't taking no name. We're talking about the Heisman Trophy winning in NFL. We're talking about Saquon Barkley and them guys. We're talking about fly, Eagles, fly. We're talking about the Bush Tush. We're talking about, man. Everybody know about the Eagles. Defense is crazy. Offense is crazy. They've been under the radar for so long, but they're not under the radar no more. But guess what? These guys got A.J. Brown and Smith is back. You know what I'm saying?
Smith is back.
Running game is crazy. Defense, I don't know their names on defense, but they've been showing up and showing out. Their coach is crazy since day one. And that's why they're number 5 team. But they lost 2 games right now, and you know my top 3 teams is just impeccable. They lost to. Did I say that right, America?
No, he said right.
Okay,
we off the rocks.
Look, my number 3 team right now. You know they can't be my number 3 team because my number 3 team is them champions. We are the champions, my friends. We're talking about the Kansas City Chiefs.
They number 3?
They number 3.
Wow.
Cocaine Pacheco is back.
Right.
He's back. You know, they got Chris Jones out here doing everything it takes at the end of the game to stop anybody's war. Yeah. And then you already got Patrick Mahomes soon to be if they win his 3rd championship, along with the Kelseys, you know what I'm saying? Tyler, whatever, you know, all the Kelseys. And they got the Xavier Worthy, the rookie. I didn't think they pick up like another D-Hop, DeAndre Hopkins out there now. They just keep it moving and they just know how to win games. They know how to win games. They're 11-1. They've been on the thing. I just feel like it's something about them that just upsets me. I feel like they shouldn't have been in my top 5, but they champions, so I gotta honor that. You know
I can't believe they only number 3.
I have to honor that. They can't be my number 2 team though, because my number 2 team bust their ass.
Yeah.
We're talking about the Buffalo Bills. Let's go Buffalo. Let's go Buffalo. Okay. Mr. Buffalo Bills that just scored 35-10 against the San Francisco 49ers in the snow. We're talking about the Buffalo team. We're talking about Josh Allen that shattered my fantasy dreams almost. Like I'm almost at the playoffs because of this guy. This guy is the only person I know in NFL history to score 10 points, America, in fantasy off of he done had a pass touchdown. He threw the touchdown and lateral, and then scored a touchdown. So he got 6 off the rushing touchdown, and then off the pass touchdown and threw it. That's
Yeah.
why they're my number 2
Crazy.
team. And then also, y'all already said they gonna have the best record at the end of the year. If y'all ain't watched the previous segment, you know, they need to stay where they gotta be at because it's plus 500 for them to have the best record. They're only 1 game behind. They already beat Kansas City. All I gotta worry about is that team that's in front of me. That's why they can't be my number 1 team. They can't be my number 1 team because we're talking about them Detroit Lions, baby. Detroit Lions, we talking about them guys that just take chances all the time. 2 running backs.
I'm not impressed.
2 receivers.
Yeah.
I'm not impressed either, but I'll get credit where credit is due. If you won all this game straight and you just annihilated every team, but then went to the close game. Yeah, the Bears was a tough divisional game last week on Thanksgiving. They lost 6 straight in a row on Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
so they had the jitters. They needed that close game right there for the future reference. They haven't had those games. So that's why they my number 1 team because I can't take that away from them off of a close win. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Plus, they play my number 2 team in 2 weeks. So I'm going to pump my brakes with that, and that's my top 5.
East top 5.
Top 5, top 5, top 5. Steelers at number 5. Number 4, we got, fly, Eagles, fly.
Fly, Eagles, fly.
Number 3, them champions. We are the champions, my friend. Number 2, let's go Buffalo.
Yes.
Let's go Buffalo. Number 1, Detroit, stand up. Eminem, stand up. Stand up. 8 Mile, stand up. Let's go.
That's East top 5. You don't like them, bet against them.
Bet against me.
I'm always betting against them. I got to try them. I really
You ain't trying me this week.
I'm definitely trying. I don't like Detroit. I already know. We gonna see what the dogs looking like. Other side of the break. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. This East Top 5 brought to you by Brown Toro Clean Delivery and Repair. And we coming back other side of the break with Bears Talk.
Bears.
Bears.